Hi, I'm Anne Ogden-Gaffney and welcome to the Cook for Your Life YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking about one of my favorite things, and that's Thanksgiving leftovers. There's always so much food at Thanksgiving, we can never manage to get our way through all of it. Now, we have the fantastic turkey, of course. Now, the turkey can end up being a ton of different things in the leftovers. First of all, one of my favorite things to do with the leftover meat is to make curry. Now, you can do this also with leftover chicken. So, since we don't eat roast turkey every day, but we do eat roast chicken, I'm going to show you how to make a leftover chicken curry, which adapts fantastically to turkey. We're also going to be making a bone broth because the turkey carcass makes the most delicious, rich tasting bone broth, which is really, really good for you and really delicious in soups and risotto, wherever you want to put it. And of course, then there's also the leftover vegetables, which you can actually put into frittata, and they make a really fantastic simple egg dish, which is really, really easy, and you can get yet another meal out of that bird. So look and learn.